Hello everyone, Vanakkam. This is Priya signing in from Planet Priya. Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Hope you all had a great start to this new year. Before I get into this week's video, I would like to say a few thank yous. The first thank you is to our amazing kids who help me with these YouTube videos. They edit them, they compose the music to them, and they bring it to you in one beautiful piece for all of you to enjoy. So thank you so very much, kids. And my second thank you is to my wonderful helper, Sophie, who always patiently takes my videos every time. Believe me guys, it's not easy. So thank you so much, Sophie. Last but not the least, you all been a great support to me, and you've given me a wonderful head start by supporting me on this YouTube channel. So thank you everyone so very much. So before I get into this week's episode, I was just thinking, why can't I make this entire month to be a theme month? So for that, I was thinking I'd go for something a little bit more colorful, and colorful, none other than flowers. The colors on the flowers, come on guys, it just is amazing and beautiful and serene, and the ambience it creates, that I don't think anything can beat that beautiful ambience fresh flowers can create. So I would like to have flowers all around my house most of the time, because every time I walk past it, the smell which comes wafts in the air and the beautiful ambience it creates and the colors always calms me down. So I'm going to show you a few flower arrangements or flower decorations. To be more precise, it's going to be floating flower decorations, which I do it at my house, and I keep some in my hallway around my house, because every time I enter, I just as I said, it gives a beautiful ambience and the aesthetics are really amazing. So we're going to show you how you can create some flower decorations from the flowers you have at home or anything you could find in the garden, and starting off with a very basic decoration, and you can build it up to make it such a grandeur. So versatile to work with. You can make it for any parties, any celebrations and any festivals. You can make it as simple as possible and as grand as possible. That's what I said. So be creative. I've tried my creative hand on few decorations. You please be creative and make more and more beautiful decorations with these beautiful flowers. So come on guys, let's get into the video and make some beautiful flower arrangements. So here for the first one, as I said, it's a simple one. It's just a plain clay pot. So I've not taken anything which is very grand or anything. So just a clay pot, even that can make a beautiful decoration. I've got a lot of flowers up there. Beautiful colors, all different colors, all different flowers. Alright, I've just kept something here. I'm just going to show. Let's start off with the yellow flowers. As I said, it's really is relaxing, and I've kept it very simple here. I've not added anything extra. So you could just fill it up with flowers. Just fill the gaps up a little. For the finishing touch. So that's the finished decoration. It's really beautiful, isn't it? The color, the lamp. You can leave the lamp and fill the complete thing with flowers, but I just want to make it look a little bit lit up. So I've lit up a very small lamp there. So the next one which you're going to make is in this brass pot. This pot is called a uruli. Uruli in Tamil means round. So you can see this is a traditional one which we make the flower decorations with at home. At home we have very big brass pots where you can accommodate more flowers. It used to beautifully decorate the hallway. and the entrance in most of our houses and many places outside too. So this uruli makes a traditional decoration, and we always decorate this with idols of God or during festive seasons. And when you light put lights in this uruli, the light reflects out because of the metal. So in the night, it looks very beautiful. Let's see how we can make this urli decoration now. So again, I filled the urli with water. Let's see, I can try some beautiful flowers, mix of flowers. As I said, guys, be creative, and it doesn't matter. It's up to you for the colors and the flowers you have to choose from. I get a lot of flowers here, so I always find it very nice to decorate them every time. So beautiful colors. I'm just gonna place a idol in the middle. So that's how it looks. Alright, to finish it off, I've taken the same little lamps. You can use candlelight, and I've taken unusual thing, a wheat flour. So wheat flour, chapati atta, wheat flour. So you can use blue tack, but here I've taken some wheat flour, and I'm gonna stick that. I need to tell you, I learned this urli decoration from my atte, my mom-in-law. She is so creative, and every time she makes beautiful decorations, and I keep looking at her, and I always feel that I need to make more of it, and that's how I learned. So thanks to atte, who always make sure that there are flowers at home. So I'm gonna finish it off by lighting this up now. You can use blue tack, as I said, guys. This is my fruit bowl, which I'm going to use it for the decoration, and I've just made it look a little bit more grand for the hallway. So I've got this beautiful stand. You can use any stand. Wooden stand will also be very nice. So I've taken a bowl full of water, and I've just put in a glass inside for this decoration. So let's see how we can start. I'm just going to choose flower. Let's make it a little bit more colorful. I'm gonna accessorize this with this beautiful brass lamp. So that adds a wonderful texture and wonderful addition to this beautiful decorations. So we can add some flowers. I've just put a lot of lamps around it. You can put as many lamps as you want to, and it will make a beautiful piece in the entrance. And you could put rangoli or colors all around it, and it gives both the traditional as well as a very modern feel to it. So I've added brass lamp to give a traditional look, and I've added a glass bowl for a contemporary feel, and I've added a nice golden stool so that it can reflect the light on it. Imagine, guys, that in the front of your hallway. Isn't it amazing? I'm just going to show you another one, which is I put it on a revolving base, and it's same. It's a glass bowl, but it's all gilded with a little bit of gold. And I've got a stand here because the centerpiece can be anything or just flowers. This one, I'm just gonna, as I said, calming, serene, and meditative. So I'm just gonna use something to reflect on that. So let's see how we can start with that. So there it is. I've just made it into a more meditative and serene feel. I've given a lot of roses, and I've got a head of Buddha, and I put some LED lights which are battery operated. It just lights up so beautifully, and it's the same. It can make any table decoration or for any festivities. You can change this centerpiece, or you can completely make it full of flowers, or you could just change this and keep something whatever you like according to the occasion. So that's what you created, guys. Look at that. Does it not just light you up and makes you feel happy? I'm gonna leave you with all these beautiful decorations for you to enjoy. Get creative and make your house look warm, aesthetic, and create that ambience. And we started off with a basic one, and then I did a traditional one, and then we mixed up traditional and contemporary modern towards it. And here I've created something which makes you feel so serene. So I'm just gonna leave all this for you to enjoy. I can't wait to see you all next week. Until then, it's Tara from Priya, signing off from Planet Priya. Have a great weekend and take care, guys. Bye-bye.